Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, we're going to be showing you how we built a raised paver patio with the seating wall and a propane fire pit. For this job, we had to excavate everything by hand. It was a pain. Well, let's get to it. As you can see here, we have the boys digging everything out, putting everything in wheelbarrows because it was hard access. And here I am helping the boys dig. I'm in the trenches with the boys, you know. After this, I was honestly so tired. And here you're gonna see Raul bring in some base, but shortly he falls. Watch this. Bam! He's like, man, screw this. I'm done with Alfredo. Haha, I'm just kidding. He actually didn't quit or anything, but luckily he didn't get hurt and he kept working. So here we pretty much got all the old grass out and started prepping for the first circular raised area. Bart is there whacking the base, making sure it's nice and compacted. Raul's making some concrete because we build our walls on concrete for easy leveling.
Jose's bringing in the block, you know, teamwork makes the dream work, and off we go. Gerardo is actually starting the process now. He's measuring it, and I think he just laid the first block. So the next slide is going to be it completed. First layer is done. This is probably a day later. I believe the demo process took us about 2 to 3 days. It was pretty ridiculous, but it was a long shot from the driveway out to the back. And you're going to see how we still have to excavate a little bit more just to get our 4 inches of base rock. So right here, I'm going to stop talking so you guys can hear what Hugo has to say. So what Hugo was saying there, he was telling the boys, come on boys, you guys can do it. You guys got this. I think they were probably tired, or I don't know what was going on, but they were talking about doing some cardio. And well, I don't think you need cardio for this, right? This is your cardio. So right there was a French drain, and what I did, I took that pipe out and installed a brand new solid pipe so that we can get rid of the corrugated, because if we didn't do that, it was just gonna sink in my patio. So right there, Gerardo's getting ready to compact. He's compacting. Pretty cool to watch. Tito's still excavating. This is day 3, I believe. So what we're doing here now, we're adding some more base. That way we can start with the seating wall. And since it's a higher grade, he needed to put more base. So what you're gonna see right now, he's going to start with the seating wall, and he's moving pretty fast. So right here we have it up, and we're going to have to backfill the seating wall with some drainage rock and then just build up the recliner. So you're going to see the boys build up, and Tito is backfilling with the drainage rock. At this point, we're getting ready for pavers. Gerardo's doing some cuts so that he can build his masterpiece. We're getting ready for paver installation. On your marks, get set. Bam! Jose's starting the pavers, and it's gonna be a beautiful paver patio.
So they get done installing these pavers. On the second day, we have our master, the one and only, Mr. Chapo, come in and help us do these beautiful cuts. I filmed that video on Instagram. It got about 3.4 million views. And a lot of you guys ask me how I get my clients. Well, this is how. You gotta build a brand and gotta get known, right? So when people are looking for landscaping, we come up because we're always posting videos. I used to try to post at least once a day, but sometimes it's just hard. I don't have all the time in the world. to be posting every day, but I am getting better at it, and it has worked out for me. Okay, so as we're speaking right now, it's Sunday, December 10th, 2023. I am sitting at 13,600 followers on Instagram for Longhorn Landscape, and I actually just hit 3,000 followers on my personal page. I am on the road to 10,000 by my birthday. I actually had to post 4 times today. I did a post around 7 a.m. I did another reel around 9 a.m. and I posted around noon. And then right now, before my YouTube video went live, the reel is doing pretty good, but the YouTube video is sitting at like 23 views total right now. Horrible, but I am gonna get up there. Well, enough of that. So here we have Brian putting our soldier course, black soldier course. Chapo's doing all the cuts, and Brian's laying. So teamwork makes the dream work. Gerardo is doing the caps. We put some fabric down. That way we don't make a big mess because we are wet cutting.
So what we're doing here, Gerardo's getting the string line ready so that we can put our mow strip with pavers and make it the same grade. So right there he's using some PVC pipe to get the curbing, and it's gonna look beautiful. Check it out. And then right here, what we were doing, we're bringing in the topsoil. We had already finished the curbing. We're bringing in the topsoil so we can lay our sod. And right here you can see Gerardo starting the curb. I am a huge fan of having the paver curving over the concrete one. Concrete is cool and everything, but it just doesn't look as good as a paver one. Well, boys and girls, ladies and gents, this video has come to an end. I appreciate your guys' support. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.